Hello everyone, my name is Audrey Gabriela. I'm from the marketing function of Tunaiku. Today we will interview our CEO, Vishal, the man who created it while working as entrepreneur from different parts of Tolaram Group. But before we start the interview, I would like to read us a little background of Mr. Tulsian. Vishal Tulsian, an Indian national, worked as an executive for the Tolaram Group for over a decade. His previous assignment was to run around manufacturing company in Estonia, and before joining Tolaram, he was with Standard & Poor's in India. He held an MBA degree and an alumni of Harvard University. He had a background in accounting, obtained company secretary training, as well as attending various training programs in management, consumer analytics, and data science. And I'm here with Mr. Vishal Tulsian. Now, Mr. Tulsian, can you explain us about Tunaiku and about its business?
Okay, thank you, Audrey. So, Tunaiku is a digital lending product. Back in 2014, it was launched. What it does is that it provides an unsecured loan for the borrowers up to the amount of $1,500 without any physical interaction required. It's totally online. It also has a distinction of being the only product which is under a bank. So I can briefly touch upon the bank Amar, part of which Tunaiku is. So Bank Amar is a fully commercially licensed bank in Indonesia. So just like any large bank, it has the commercial banking license. And in Indonesia, there are no more licenses being issued from already quite many years. So that creates a very unique advantage for Tunaiku, that it is an approved product under a bank operating under the central regulators. Bank Amar shareholders are Tolaram Group. Tolaram Group is a family-owned group which is working for more than 75 years in the business. They are focused for the emerging economies, very large players in Africa, some of the emerging economies in Europe, like they were present earlier in Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Egypt, quite many countries. That's why we're focused towards Indonesia, as this economy has huge potential. So that's the background of the shareholders also.
Okay, so Tunaiku and Amar Bank has been growing quite significantly since inception in 2014. Could you share brief milestones and current conditions of Amar Bank or Tunaiku?
Right. So the unique part of Tunaiku is that it gives the unsecured loan and the borrowers can pay in the installments, unlike many of the loan providers which are giving only for a month or few days. So when we give out the loan, then that loan is primarily for an average of around 12 months.
Okay.
So the first milestone which we had was around $50 million disbursement. It took us around more than 3 years to disburse that amount. Second $50 million, less than half of that time. And recently last $50 million we did even less than 4 months. So that's the rate of growth and the milestones which we have completed so far.
Why customer choose Tunaiku, and can you tell us about Amar Bank business projection in the future?
So customers choose Tunaiku because they get it a very convenient loan. They come to the website and it's very convenient. They don't, unlike any bank, they don't have to come to the branch. They can just go online, fill in the forms, submit some of the pictures, and that's it. Second is the affordable installments. Because these customers, when they borrow for, suppose, housing loan, they cannot pay it in 1 month or 2 months back with interest. So they need certain time for the installment. So that's why it's an installment loan. Our projection of the Tunaiku would be that we would be growing for more than 5 times from the current level in less than next 5 years.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Vishal, for your time, and that's all for now. So thank you, everyone, and have a great day.
Thank you.